All right, ladies, welcome to Forever Star India and welcome to your journey and of fulfilling your dream of becoming a successful model. And the entire team of FCA welcomes you with an open heart. Thank you so much for your time today. Thank you so much for making it till here. And I'm sure it's going to be one fruitful journey that waits for you ahead. So, all the best for your auditions today. You do not have to be nervous at all. First of all, let me just compliment. I can see some lovely faces across the screen. All of you look extremely beautiful, and I'm sure you're going to perform great. This has to be about you. This just has to be about you. You have to make sure that you put your best foot forward. I know there is nervousness, there is excitement, but that can just go into the backseat, right? Be as comfortable as you possibly can be. You can interact with me like you talk to a friend, because I am here. The team is here just to know more about you guys, because we are sure that you all are unique, interesting individuals. So let's begin. And of course, talking about Forever Star India, it is not just a beauty pageant. We are building a community of women, of professionals who are like minded, passionate, और जो यहाँ पे अपनी पहचान बनाने के लिए आए हैं. So that's the bottom line to it, and there is a lot more that we will be talking about in the end. So please be patient with the entire process. The audition process, of course, is going to be in two steps. The first being your introduction, where I will be interacting one-on-one with each one, with each one of you. So मैं हर किसी से उनका introduction के time interact करूंगी. Please keep your introduction very, very crisp, small. Do not extend it or take a long story there. Keep it interesting and primarily include two things. सबसे पहली आपकी hobbies. Secondly, why are you here? Why do you want to win that crown? Why do you want to be a part of this platform? And of course, we will be concluding on a very, very interesting note. That is all going to be about your ramp walk. We will be kick-starting your journey right today itself, witnessing you doing 2 rounds of ramp walk. So please keep that in mind as well. I would request all of you to please do your ramp walks with your footwears on. Do not, end up doing it barefoot. That is not suggested at all. So all the best to everyone. And I'm sure, I'm going to meet and interact with some lovely women today. So, but before, of course, we have two very, very special guests today. First, of course, is the jury. But before I introduce her, we have another special guest who adds another feather to her cap today. Simran Kashyap, who is an FCA participant already and is eligible to become a city winner. She has passed all through the talent rounds, because मेरे से ज्यादा टीम से ज्यादा आप एक ऐसे इंसान के साथ रिलेट कर पाओगे जो ऑलरेडी इस जर्नी के थ्रू जा चुका है. So she will be talking about her experience. So hi Simran, how are you?
Hello Harry ma'am, thank you for this lovely introduction. Good evening everyone. I am Simran. I'm a participant just like you guys. And let me tell you one thing, you're all very beautiful. So obviously there's a tough competition as I can see. आज आपके auditions हैं, तो obviously आप सब excited होगे, nervous होगे. But let me tell you this one thing, कि nervous आपको जितने यहाँ participants दिख रहे हैं ना, सब है, ठीक है? तो just relax about it. Nervous होने में कोई बुराई नहीं है. बट गलती हम वहां करते हैं जब हम नर्वस होने की वजह से अपनी परफॉर्मेंस खराब कर देते हैं. ओके, तो बस परफॉर्मेंस अफेक्ट नहीं होना चाहिए. यहाँ ज्यूरी बैठी है, पर वो आपको जज करने से ज्यादा ना आपको सपोर्ट करेगी. ट्रस्ट मी ऑन दिस, सीरियसली. आई एम अ पार्टिसिपेंट एंड मैं आपको यहाँ मोटिवेट करने आई हूँ. तो आप इससे समझ सकते हो क्या कितना ज्यादा पॉजिटिव एटमॉस्फेयर है. So being a participant, I love this platform and I literally support this platform कि कितना like हमें support मिलता है यहाँ. तो don't get nervous. आपको 90 seconds दिए जाएंगे, वो आपको own करना है. Seriously, उस बीच कोई कुछ नहीं बोलेगा, कोई jury कोई नहीं बोलेगा, वो आपके हैं. जो बोलने आए हो बोलो, रुको मत, nervous मत हो, ठीक है? Because there you are going to be judged. Okay, just be confident, stay confident. जो बोलना है, जैसा परफॉर्म करना है, बस करो. So all the best with that. Stay confident. Just remember that in your mind that you are here to win, not to lose. Okay. So all the best with that. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Simran. Thank you. And of course, that was Simran Kashyap, one of your co-participants of this journey. And now let's welcome, the most prestigious title that we have today, our jury for the day, Miss Kirti Chaudhary, the director of Forever Star India, our boss lady indeed, who has been nurturing the product, the project since the past few months like a baby. She represents the right kind of women inspiration, and trust me, her insights are going to help you a long way. Welcome on board, Kirti ma'am. If you give me a nod, I shall proceed. Thank you so much. So let's start with Pooja. Hi Pooja, how are you?
Hello ma'am, I'm very good. How about you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. And can we, start with your introduction?
Sure, ma'am. My name is Pooja, and I am a student, and I have done engineering in civil engineering in 2018, and further I proceed for UPSC and state BCS. I have cleared RAS pre, and I have written mains in 2018, and now I am pursuing for UPSC. And I do write poetry on a spiritual note, love, and especially on women's feelings, write what they want actually, their inner potential, which about which they are not actually aware. And after that, I do rifle shooting, and I love to participate as a soldier woman because I have done NCC also, and I have achieved alpha in NCC. And the motive behind joining this platform is that people think that women are objectifying, and I don't felt yet. So I have just one thought that why not I just interact with this platform and just know what I am feeling. If a woman is performing somewhere and what she feels, and that feeling and that inner thing which she know about herself, that is the most and only reason. That's why I'm with you all beautiful ladies. And further I'm so happy that I'm connecting with you all. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Pooja. Thank you so much. I love the clarity that you have. आपको समझ आ रहा है आप क्या बोल रहे हो, and it shows that you're here to break stereotypes. आपका background बहुत strong है. You are into multiple things, and of course, Pooja, I just want to confirm one thing. There are two Poojas in the entire batch. Can I please have your surname so that मेरे को confusion ना हो?
Yes, ma'am. I'm renaming.
Yeah, if you could do that. And Pooja, then we can start with your ramp walk as well.
Ma'am, just give me 1 minute. I'm actually not heels. I'm not wearing heels actually. So,
okay, you can get your heels. By the time I'll proceed with the other participants, you can just put it in the chat box when you're ready, okay?
Sure.
Pooja, thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hear it from Momita. Hi, Momita. I hope I have pronounced your name right.
Yes, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. You can start with the introduction.
Okay. So my name is Momita Sultana and I'm 24 years old. I live in West Bengal at a small city named Krishnanagar. I have completed my diploma in elementary education and I am very passionate about acting and modeling. And I learned dancing because I love to dance. I'm not a professional dancer, but I learned that. I learned also painting more about 12 or 13 years. And someone says that in our Bengali cinemas, being an actress, the first step of acting is natak. So this is why I learned lots of nataks, and I have done many nataks in my cities and Kolkata also. So that is why I know a little bit about spotlight, the cameras, all the things, etc. So honestly speaking, that this is my first beauty pageant contest that I gonna attend, and I'm thinking about that. The acting and modeling are the only things that you can grow your self-confidence. So this is why I gonna choose this pathway, and I am very honorable that I gonna attend this type of beauty contest, this type of Miss India contest, and this is so grateful for me and of course with you guys. And I hoping that I'm gonna learn lots of things from you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Momita. I am going to learn a lot from you guys as well. And now tell me, final aspiration क्या है? Actor बनना है या model बनना है? सच्ची सच्ची.
सच्ची सच्ची बोलो तो मुझे एक्ट्रेस मतलब मैं नाटक कर चुकी हूँ, मतलब ड्रामा बहुत सारे किए हैं, तो एक्टिंग और मॉडलिंग दोनों ही अच्छे लगते हैं, लेकिन एक्टिंग और मॉडलिंग में से अगर कोई चूज करो तो 99 इज मॉडलिंग एंड 100 इज एक्टिंग.
Okay, okay. I love the honesty, Momita. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच मैम.
आप रैम वॉक के साथ शुरू कर सकते हैं.
ओके ओके ओके, जस्ट अ मिनट मैम, जस्ट अ मिनट. Am I visible, ma'am?
Yes, Momita, I think we can work this out. Yeah.
Okay, so let's start. Done, ma'am?
Yes, Momita, thank you. How are you?
Thank you. I'm fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Even I am good. So you let me just compliment you on your hair. You have lovely hair. And
Thank you so much, ma'am.
I liked your introduction. You've been very honest that why you are here on this platform, and you give more points to acting than modeling. So I like that also. Your ramp walk was very average. One thing I would like to point out that whenever we are doing a ramp walk, we need to wear the appropriate footwear.
Yes,
Right, and
yes,
until
ma'am.
you do that, आपकी ramp walk में वो बात आएगी ही नहीं. तो आपको एक stilettos, you will have to buy a pair of stilettos for yourself if you clear this audition, because इसके बाद आपके जो talent rounds होंगे उसमें एक round में आपको ramp walk सिखाया जाएगा और आपको ramp walk करना पड़ेगा. So you will be wearing stilettos there. So start once you receive your audition report and you clear the audition, buy yourself a pair of stilettos and start walking on those in those.
Okay,
ठीक है?
okay, ma'am.
Yeah, so once you have an appropriate footwear, आपकी ramp walk अपने आप improve हो जाएगी, because आपका जो
Yes,
upper
ma'am.
body का movement था, that was a little too much. वो थोड़ा सा subtle हो सकता है. Of course, we will be training you for that. We have a group of 150 plus trainers who are going to train you. So yeah, just keep your fingers crossed and wait for your audition reports.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, एक बात है, actually this is my new shoes. ये मेरा new shoes है जो मैं सिर्फ audition के लिए खरीदी थी. तो इसीलिए शायद मेरा रैम्प वॉक, और मुझे रैम्प वॉक इतना ट्रेनिंग नहीं मिली. अगर मुझे ट्रेनिंग मिली तो ऑफ कोर्स मैं अपनी 100% दूंगी.
Of course. और वैसे भी न्यू फुटवेयर में जब हम पहली बार वॉक करते हैं तो वो बहुत अनकंफर्टेबल होते हैं. ग्रेजुअली हम एक कंफर्ट लेवल पे आते हैं एक फुटवेयर में. तभी मैंने आपको बोला कि ऑडिशन क्लियर होते ही फुटवेयर ले आना, ताकि if you start walking in them those for 5 minutes 10 minutes, you will be so comfortable कि रैंप वॉक को आपके लिए it will be like super easy. All right, so Momita, all the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Momita. Thank you so much. Payal, are you ready with the ramp walk? Oh, sorry, Pooja Suthara. I'm so sorry, I got confused. जी, आप start कर सकते हैं.
हेलो मैम.
नहीं, ये पूजा सुथार को बोल रही हूँ मैं.
अच्छा, ओके.
Getting to you. पूजा, आपका नेटवर्क बफर हो गया था तो आपका वॉक दिखा नहीं. कैन यू डू इट अगेन? Yes, Pooja, thank you so much. You could sit back comfortably. Thank you for completing the ramp walk. Thank you. You could sit back.
Sorry for network issue.
No issues, no issues. Let's proceed with Pooja Pathade. I hope I pronounced your name right. Hi, how are you?
Hi, ma'am. I'm good. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Can I please have your introduction?
Yes, ma'am. I'm Pooja Pathare. I'm 35 years old. I'm blessed with a beautiful 10 years old daughter. I'm microbiologist, fashion designer, tarot card reader, angel therapist, and spiritual life coach. I'm running my own designer store, Vivid Collection.
Okay, wonderful. And what brings you here today, Pooja? Why do you want to win the crown?
मैम मैं आपको एक बता दूं, एक्चुअली मैं बचपन मतलब टीनेजर थी तब से चाहती थी कि मैं कोई क्राउन विन करूं या उस चीज का काफी अट्रैक्शन था मुझ में, बट मेरी फैमिली इतनी मतलब ये सब चीजें नहीं अलाउ कर रही थी। एंड मैं उस टाइम में अभी तो मैं 35 एज की हूँ, बट उस टाइम में मुझे लगता है कि वो लोग जो कर रहे थे शायद वो सही था, बिकॉज वो नहीं चाहते थे मैं ये करूं और मैंने भी उनकी डर से शायद नहीं किया। बट टाइम एक ऐसा आया मैम, मेरी डॉटर ने ये सारी चीजें की जो 7 इयर्स की थी, तब जाके मुझे अपनी सारी चीजें याद आई कि यही तो सारी चीजें मुझे चाहिए थी, मुझे करना था। और मेरी डॉटर ने मुझे मोटिवेट किया कि मम्मा तू एक बार कर ले, अच्छा लगेगा। और उसके बाद मैंने एक ऑनलाइन शो किया। ऑनलाइन करके सच में मुझे काफी अच्छा लगा। मैंने उसमें क्राउन भी विन किया था, प्लस साइज में विनर थी मैं उस शो के लिए, मिसेस इंडियन आइकॉनिक स्टार की विनर थी मैं। एंड उसके बाद मैम मैंने फिर ऑफलाइन शो करने का सोचा, बिकॉज ऑनलाइन शो करके मुझे थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस आया था, तो मैंने ऑफलाइन शो किया। एंड ऑफलाइन में भी फिर मैं मिसेस यूनिवर्स टाइटल मिला था मुझे, फर्स्ट रनर अप का। तो ये तो मेरे लिए बिल्कुल एक ड्रीम का कम ट्रू था जो, एंड ऑफ कोर्स उसके बाद मुझे लगा कि मैं और किसी बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म में कर सकती हूँ, तो मुझे लगा मैंने करना चाहिए, इसलिए मैं यहाँ पर हूँ। और सच में मैम मैं बताती हूँ कि मुझे बचपन से शौक था, बट मैं नहीं कर पाई पेरेंट्स के डर से, या काफी सारी चीजें थी उस टाइम, शायद मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल नहीं था। बट मैं जो भी सीखी ना मेरे डॉटर से सीखी, थोड़ा उल्टा था बट यही हुआ है मेरे साथ।
ओके, थैंक यू पूजा जी, थैंक यू अपनी स्टोरी इतने ब्यूटीफुली बताने के लिए। सबसे पहले आई जस्ट वांट टू कॉम्प्लीमेंट यू, बिकॉज सी अगर आपने अपनी डॉटर को वो आजादी दी है दैट शी कैन फ्लाई एंड बी हरसेल्फ, दैट इज व्हाई शी वाज एबल टू मोटिवेट यू। तो ओरिजिनल क्रेडिट आप ही का है, यू नो। अगर आपने उन्हें वो चीजें करने दी जो आपको नहीं करने दी गई थी, तो ऑटोमेटिकली इट केम अप ऑन टू यू, एंड लुक हाउ फार यू हैव कम, एंड आई एम श्योर यू गोना डू ग्रेट। आपकी राम वॉक के साथ शुरू करते हैं।
थैंक यू मैम। Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Pooja. You're
Okay,
looking
ma'am.
lovely.
Thank you.
Okay, so let me just compliment you कि आपका रैंप वॉक अच्छा था, but you know थोड़ा सा again मुझे hand movement ऐसा लगा कि उस पे हम थोड़ा सा काम कर सकते हैं, right? So as you say, you know attended one online event and one offline event also you've done, so that completely you know is reflected in your confidence. You're very confident when you're talking about yourselves, right? So you are going to go a long way, Pooja. And when you said that, you know, I've learned it and I've been motivated from my daughter. So it has been rightly said that, you know, we do not teach our kids and our kids do not learn from us. but we learn from our kids, and that's extremely important. That these kids have so much to teach us. हमें ये लगता है ना हम इसको ये सिखा दें, ऐसा बना दें, वैसा बना दें, but ultimately we should be learning from them. And you've done the right thing when you listened to her, and you started exploring yourself. So all the best from my side, and just wait for your audition reports.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Pooja. Thank you so much. Next,
Thank
we have
you, ma'am.
Joyce. Hi, Joycey. I hope I have pronounced your name right. If it's Joyce, I don't know.
Yes, ma'am. Joyce Salvi.
Hi, Joycey. How are you?
I'm fine. How is you, ma'am?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. And can you please start with the introduction?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Elegance is not being noticed; it's being remembered. Good evening to one and all present over here. My name is Joyce Salvi. I am from Ahmednagar, Maharashtra, and I have just passed my 12th standard this year from science stream. My hobbies are swimming, acting, anchoring, and making new friends. I like to talk and interact with new people. So, my motive behind participating in this pageant is to make my parents proud. I want them that they should be known by my name. And not just this, the second motive is I want to stand there and inspire other such girls who really thinks the modeling or the beauty pageants are just made for those girls who are slim and having that tall legs and sorry ma'am, tall legs and small arms, but it's all about your external appearance does not matter here. And this platform is really very unique and give wings to our dreams. So thank you for giving me this opportunity. And I believe beauty of a woman is not in her external appearance, it is reflected from her soul. And beauty exists from the brain and not from your external appearance. So thanks for giving me this opportunity. And if you all you need a crown, go buy one. But if you want to lead and inspire, so enter pageant, enter pageant and earn one. So I just want to tell everyone, believe in yourself and keep in your mind that I can, I will, and I have to do it, whatever it is. Thank you.
Thank you, Joycey. Thank you so much. And I love the vibe that you have. It's very positive. And you're absolutely correct when you say that, pageants need to stop being about the physical attributes. FCR
Yes, yes.
takes immense pride in saying that, the entire idea of our pageant is very inclusive. Standard model height usually 5'5", 5'6" considered ki jati hai.
Yes, yes.
But
Yeah.
we started from 5 feet because that does not matter what your age is, your size is, your color is, your shape is. If your personality
Correct.
is strong enough, you are confident enough to make it and to learn to grow, you are going to make it through. So thank you so much.
Yeah, I just want to show that. I just want to show that our talents and our courage and confidence matter. It
Absolutely.
doesn't matter what skin tone we have or height or weight we have. Just I want to show that and inspire other girls
Yeah.
to take part in such pageants.
Women are anyways gorgeous, and I would request you to start with your ramp walk.
Yes, yes. Ma'am, can you see me? Am I visible?
Yes, I think I would be able to see you. You can start.
Good evening, Salvi.
Good evening, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good, and after listening to you, I'm feeling much better, yeah? How old are you? Tell me first.
I'm 18 years old.
Okay, you're just 18, and look at the way you're talking. You just talk like a mature person who has seen the world and, who's here to break stereotypes and who's here to make a name for herself. So kudos to you for having the courage to talk about your beliefs and your ramp walk. was pretty average, Salvi. We can work on your ramp walk. Yeah, I could see that this is the first time that you're doing a ramp walk, right?
Yes.
पहली बार कर रहे हो? Okay. So the team can work on it. Although आप जो poses ले रहे थे, the positions that you were taking, you were very confident when you were doing that. But technically, there's a lot of work that can be done. All right, all the best.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Joycey. Thank you. And next we can hear it from Gitanjali. Hi, Gitanjali. Gitanjali, आप म्यूट पे हो, अपना माइक ऑन कर लीजिए.
I'm sorry. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, how are you?
I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great as well.
Yes, I am. Thank you for asking. And I would love for you to start with the introduction.
Sure. So my name is Gitanjali Jadhav. I am 21 years old and I'm born and brought up in Pune itself. So I've just recently finished my graduation and I'm currently working in Capgemini as a software engineer as well. So like all my life, I've dreamt of having like modelings and all. I've like fantasized all of those things. But to be honest, as a child, I was very introvert and I like to keep everything to myself only. So I never had that confidence to come up. And now my mom and dad, they were like, you have to do it. So I finally got up an opportunity with FSHIA and I enrolled and today I'm auditioning.
Okay, so you have pretty much clarified that you want to become a model. But Gitanjali, is there anything that you enjoy as an individual, like any hobbies apart from modeling that you have?
Yeah, like modeling, I haven't done anything as such, to be honest. But apart from that, I can dance, I can sing. And yeah, I'm not much creative, but these are the two things that I can do good.
More than enough. You don't have to be so underconfident about yourself. I don't know you. If you could even tell me I know Bharatanatyam, I will believe you. Don't worry. So it's all cool. Don't worry about it. And I would love for you to start with the introduction. The ramp walk. I'm so sorry. The ramp.
Because I was just wearing my straps and call out my name.
So
yeah. I hope you can see me, right?
Yes, I can.
Guess it's done.
Yes, Gitanjali, it's done. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So are you wearing these heels for the first time or have you been wearing these?
No, for the first time in 2 years, honestly.
Okay. I could make out that you were a little uncomfortable while you were walking in these heels. Though, these are not stilettos, you will be, stilettos are going to be more difficult once you start wearing them initially.
No, I'm prone to 2 years, it's being locked down. So all I can wear is slippers.
Of course, makes total sense. Don't worry, Gitanjali, you are confident enough and you are capable of doing, much better when it comes to ramp walk, of course. And very confidently, you have spoken about yourselves. I loved your, dedication when you said that, I can just do this and I can do that. So, okay, that's fine. But your ramp walk was too casual. And maybe the space was also a little small. That's why you were not able to, do it properly. But otherwise, even when you were, taking those poses, when you were turning, you seemed pretty confident to me. And the rest of the work, of course, the trainers can do with you if you clear today's audition. So all the best from my end and hoping to see you in the training sessions. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Gitanjali. Thank you so much. Next. Hear it from Oppo A15s. क्या आप please अपने आप को unmute कर सकती हैं? Because I can't figure out your name. Hi, yeah, that's you.
I'm audible.
Yeah, आप audible हैं. आपका नाम जान सकती हूँ, please?
हाँ, good evening, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. My name is Meenakshi.
Hi, Meenakshi.
From Tigri Garhwal.
How are you?
Hey, ma'am.
मीनाक्षी
I'm
क्या?
fine.
Okay, great. आप अपने इंट्रोडक्शन के साथ शुरू कर सकती हैं.
Hello. Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. My name is Meenakshi from Tingri Garhwal. I am a Garhwali, and professionally, I am a staff nurse in Dehradun. And my hobbies, dancing and listening music and cooking.
Okay, and इस cooking, listening music और dancing में मीनाक्षी यहाँ क्या कर रही है? Why do you want to win the crown?
मैम एक्चुअली मुझे एक पहले से यही डिसाइड था कि मेरे को मेडिकल लाइन में जाना है. मुझे कुछ पता नहीं था कि मुझे कहाँ जाना है, लेकिन मेरे को ऑप्शन मिला कि मुझे नर्सिंग का मिला है. मैंने कोर्स किया. मुझे ये भी नहीं पता कि स्टाफ नर्सिंग में होता क्या है, और मैं आज एक स्टाफ नर्स हूँ. पर मैं बहुत खुश हूँ इस प्रोफेशन में भी. बट मुझे मॉडलिंग भी बहुत पसंद है, और अभी मुझे चांस मिला है, तो मैंने कहा मैं इस चांस को जाने नहीं दूंगी. इस बार मैं इसको ट्राई करके देखूंगी मैम.
Thank you, Meenakshi. Thank you so much. And we can start with your ramp walk.
मैम स्पेस बहुत कम है यहाँ पर. मैं एक मिनट.
जी मीनाक्षी जी, आपका नेटवर्क बहुत बफर हो रहा है, सबका वीडियो रुक चुका है. आई डोंट नो इफ यू स्टार्टेड बट योर वीडियो इज हॉल्टेड.
मैम
मीनाक्षी आपका नेटवर्क बफर हो रहा है, प्रॉब्लम ये है. प्लीज नेटवर्क फिक्स कर लीजिए एंड देन अपना रैम वॉक शुरू कर दीजिए.
ओके मैम.
We can move forward to Karati Gulati. I hope I pronounced your name right. Can you please unmute yourself and start your video?
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening, Karati. Is that your
It's Krati. It's Krati.
Prati? Okay, I'm so sorry. How are you, Prati?
I am 29 years old and I have a baby. He is 4 years old. And
Okay.
actually, I belong to a very small town in Madhya Pradesh. I am from Madhya Pradesh, actually, Manasa. It's near Neemuch. Actually, ma'am, I work for a Women's Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industries. That's in Wiki. It has more than 290,000 women are working with us together. We have a council, and I am in a yoga council. I am more passionate about doing yoga, meditations, and it has turned my life into a complete new way. Actually, it's what मैं इतना छोटा टाउन से हूँ, यहाँ पर इतना किसी चीजों को लेकर के स्कोप नहीं है. बट कोविड ऐसे तो बहुत ही गंदा फेज था सबकी लाइफ में, बट इट हैज टर्न माय लाइफ इनटू अ न्यू वे. मुझे काफी ऑनलाइन स्कोप मिला ड्यूरिंग द कोविड ड्यूरेशन, एंड आई हैव ट्रेन्ड more than 1,000 people online. Mentally, I have healed them. Physically, I have competed them. And overall, इसके लिए मुझे नारी शक्ति सम्मान भी मिला है by CAT organization. And मैं सबके लिए ये प्लेटफॉर्म मैंने इसलिए चूज किया है. I want to tell every woman कि आप जहाँ रह रहे हैं वो मैटर नहीं करता. Even though it's a small town, but you can do a big miracles. और ये जो मुझे इतना कॉन्फिडेंस है इन सब चीज़ों को लेकर के, एक जो विकी फेडरेशन है, यहाँ पे ज्वाइन होने के बाद ही मुझे ऐसा इतना कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डअप हुआ है कि आई कैन डू एनीथिंग. इवन दो मेरा एरिया स्मॉल है, बट आई कैन डू मैनी थिंग्स फॉर वुमेन्स.
Represent that confidence. आपकी बातों में वो confidence झलक रहा है that you can do anything, Prati. It shows, and I'm sure you're going to achieve great heights. So let's start with your ramp walk, Prati.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Wait for a while. I have to adjust my camera.
can start.
Sure. Done it?
Yeah, thank you, Krati. How are you?
Ma'am, very, very good. Nice.
Okay. So let me just tell you, you're looking lovely. And the lipstick that you're wearing is looking lovely on you. And I like what you've been doing, you know, kind of empowering women and empowering people and helping them in maintaining their mental health, which is the most important thing as of now. Because in this COVID, you know, people have realized that, yes, our mental health is the most important, you know, part of our body, which was, you know, generally also it is neglected. So kudos to you for doing that, Krati. Your ramp walk was very average. You did it very casually. So that means you need to learn, you know, how to do a ramp walk.
It's my first time. It's my first time.
I could make out that you've never done it before. So this was your first time. So you thought, ki, chalo, theek hai, normal walk hi kar dete aur kuch nahi to. So certainly we will be teaching you once you're here on the platform, once you're a part of this community. So hoping to see you in the training sessions, Krati.
Thank you, ma'am. One more thing I want to add on. जैसे आप बोल रहे हैं रैंप वॉक के लिए ठीक है वॉक ही कर देते हैं मैम आई हैव लर्न दिस अगर आप भाग नहीं सकते हैं तो आप चलिए आप चल नहीं सकते हैं तो आप वॉक कीजिए और वॉक नहीं कर सकते हैं तो आप क्राउल कीजिए बट डू समथिंग ये सारी लेडीज के लिए
rather than just you know standing blank and saying कि मुझे तो आता ही नहीं है it's better that you do something so what you're saying totally makes sense Krati.
Thank you
and all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you, Krati. Thank you so much. Let's talk to Arshi now. Hi, Arshi.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine. And how are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. I would love for you to start with the introduction.
Yes, sure, ma'am. First of all, thank you for giving me such great pleasure to talk with all beautiful faces. And my name is Arshi and I'm currently living in Aligarh. And recently I passed my class 12 with 95%. I'm a city topper and I'm the type of person who likes to do everything. I want to be an all-rounder. That's why I'm also a dancer, singer. I'm an NCC cadet who was awarded by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And I'm also good at sports. I can play basketball, cricket, and other things. And I also want to be a beauty pageant because I want to be a role model for other girls who can see that we can do. If a girl wants, he or she can do everything. That's
wonderful, Arshi. I completely got your point there, and congratulations on completing your 12th with such good grades. I would love for you to start with your ramp walk.
Yes, ma'am. Sure. See. Ma'am, am I visible?
Yes, Arshi, I guess you would be visible.
It's done?
Yes, it's done, Arshi. Thank you so much. You can sit back comfortably.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so I cannot hear you. आपके पास बहुत ही धीरे आ रही है. First of all, let me just compliment you on your makeup. You have put in, you know, good efforts in doing your makeup, your hair, and of course, you're wearing a beautiful black and golden dress. So, you know, the effort is all that matters. You know, when you are putting an effort before presenting yourself somewhere, that means you are serious about it, yeah, and you are sincere in your efforts. So, I'm sure you're going to go a long way, Arshi, on the basis of your introduction. But your ramp walk was very casual. Ramp walk पे अभी हमें काम करने की जरूरत है. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. But you are capable of doing really good once you're trained appropriately by the trainers. So all the best.
Ma'am, I want to say something. Actually, some people are not very trained before, but they are the type of person like a clay. If you mold them, they can be the perfect one. So I'm the one from them.
Yes, very, very beautifully said, Arshi. That yes, people who are capable and people who are, uh, you know, what do I say, passionate about something, so they can learn anything and everything. And I'm sure you would be one of those. So all the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Arshi. Let's hear it from Anu next. Hi, Anu. How are you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm fine. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. I would love for you to start with your introduction.
Okay. My name is Taba Anu, and I'm 20 years old. I'm from Arunachal Pradesh, and currently I'm staying in Mohali. I'm pursuing my BSMS degree in biological science from Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research, Mohali. I love singing, dancing, and drawing. This is my first time I'm participating in a beauty pageant. So, like, it always had been my dream to be a model, like to be crowned, to be a beauty pageant. So, I find this FCI as a platform which will let my dream to let my dream of being a model to come true. So I want to represent my state, my nation globally. So that's it. Thank you.
Thank you, Taba Anu. Thank you so much. I just want to cross check one thing. Are you nervous?
Yeah, I am.
That yeah pretty much explained everything. You don't have to be. Look how stunning you are looking, and I'm sure that you are going to add a lot of value to the platform. Thank you so much for your introduction, and I would love for you to start with your ramp walk.
Ma'am, just give me a second.
So, set your frame. Thank you, Taba Anu. Thank you so much. And you were in a little hurry, but I'm sure the experts are going to take over and you're going to learn the ramp walk just the right way in the coming times. Thank you so much. And I shall move forward. Let's hear it from Pallavi Jaiswal. Hi, Pallavi.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Hello, Harry ma'am. Hello, Kirti ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine. Good evening.
Good evening. I would love for you to start with the introduction.
Yeah. So I will start with my brief introduction. I'm Pallavi Jaiswal and I'm 19 years old. And I'm originally from Himachal Pradesh, but I live in Mohali. And right now I'm doing my MSc in biology in Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research. And Anu is actually my friend. Like if I talk about my hobbies, I'm interested in gardening and painting. I love flowers. But being a model is my biggest concern. And it is my dream actually. I want to be a successful and popular model. I want that popularity. And of course, it is my first time I'm doing such thing. Like I'm giving the first time this audition. Like I have never been before. So,
Okay,
and
but
yeah.
so calm down. Ho gaya. You're done. Anyways, I appreciate how you and Anu have put in a lot of effort to prepare yourself a certain way. It does not look कि आप लोग पहली बार अपना audition दे रहे हो, because you're looking just the right part that you should. So appreciation for that, and I love that you both are cheering for each other despite knowing that आप लोग eventually competition बनने वाले हो. But I'm sure the spirit of friendship is always higher there. So
Yeah.
I would love for you to start with your ramp walk.
Okay, just give me a minute. I will go outside. So,
Thank you, Pallavi. Thank you so much. अब कैसा लग रहा है? अब थोड़ा सा nervousness कम हुई?
yeah, of course.
Now take a deep breath. अब बाकी contestants को देखो कैसे ramp walk कर रहे हैं, कैसे अपना introduction दे रहे हैं. Let me just tell you that you were looking lovely in this little black dress, and this red lipstick is totally going with what you're wearing right now. And my your hair. So what do you use on your hair? You have such lovely and long hair.
Firstly, thank you. And like I love long hair, so I do everything for my hair. What can I do?
Of course, you have been, taking care of your hair. तभी आपके इतने लंबे और इतने सुंदर बाल हैं, पल्लवी. But nervousness नहीं होनी चाहिए जब भी आप खुद को present कर रहे हो. वो कब होती है जब हम prepared नहीं होते हैं अपने introduction के साथ. So I could see that you were just looking at those points कि अच्छा मुझे ये भी बोलना है, ये भी बोलना है, right? So थोड़ा सा preparation और improve हो सकती है आपकी. उससे अपने आप confidence आएगा. क्योंकि confidence और कोई नहीं लेके आता है. Confidence आप खुद अंदर से लेके आता है. वो कब होता है जब आपकी preparation अच्छे से की हुई होती है, right? And secondly, ramp walk आप और अच्छा कर सकते थे because you were not wearing heels. अगर आपने heels पहन रखी होती ना तो automatically आपका ramp walk बहुत अच्छा हो जाता. But I could see that you were wearing flats. So next time, whenever you're doing your ramp walk, make sure you're wearing stilettos. Yes, those will just add to your ramp walk. And all the best.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Pallavi. Thank you so much. And let's hear it from JK@123. आपका username है. Can you please unmute yourself and start your video? Okay, I guess. All right, I'll move forward to Madhulika. Hi, Madhulika.
Hello.
How are you?
Hello.
Okay, so this is JK@123 speaking. Can you please start your video? I can see your face.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi.
Good evening, ma'am.
अरे
Hello, ma'am.
आप इतने अच्छे लग रहे हैं. आपने वीडियो क्यों ऑफ किया हुआ था?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, आपका नाम जान सकती हूँ, please?
Yes, it's Indra Thakur here.
Hi, Indra. कैसे हैं आप?
I'm fine, ma'am. आप कैसे हैं?
बढ़िया. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया पूछने के लिए. अपने इंट्रोडक्शन के साथ आप शुरू कर सकते हैं.
Yes. Good evening, everyone. My name is Indra Thakur. I'm 36 years old. Hello. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, Indra. आप audible हैं. Continue.
Hello. Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. I'm 36 years old. I have done my I have done law. I am a law graduate. I have done my law graduation in 2008. After that, I have appeared for J&K's administrative services. So in 2011, I cleared that examination. I have been in services for I think 10 years now. I have completed 10 years of services. I have worked in different capacities as revenue officer, field officer, rural sanitation, and presently I am project manager in District Industry Center, Jammu. So I have a daughter of 7 years old. I have been married to my batchmate. He is also a KS officer. So I think I have served in different capacities. I have, being a public servant, I would say that I have done a lot of things to serve the society. But coming to this platform, it's like I just want to explore myself, the things which I was not able to do in my childhood or in my young, I would say in teenage, because my father is like strict one. He was a judicial officer. So he wanted me to excel in academics rather than doing anything. So now after marriage and after serving for such a long, serving in a job, in a government job, I feel that I should do something different. I should bring out the best version of myself. And when I found that this kind of platform, so I wanted to come and explore this platform. So I'm here, ma'am.
Wonderful. I love the honesty there. Indra. Could you please re-emphasize on your hobbies once?
Forgot to that. Yes, I am a social person. I am a fun-loving person. I love driving, traveling, trekking. Maybe I don't find so much of time for doing all these things, because when you have to balance between both professional and personal life, it becomes too difficult. But whenever I get a chance, I love to travel and explore new places. Right now also I was having a holiday today and I'm outside, and since I was having this audition, so I have to manage all the things on my travel only. So I'm here.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful, Indra. Thank you so much for telling out everything transparently. I would love for you to start with your answer.
Thank you. Thank you. One of the this, you can say, characteristics is that I'm too straightforward, which is not being liked by people at times.
Don't worry, we appreciate it all here, so you can start.
Okay, ma'am. Just wait for a second. Am I visible, ma'am?
Yes, Indra, you're visible.
Am I visible, ma'am? Ma'am, I'm starting.
Thank you so much, Indra. Thank you. You could sit back comfortably. Thank you. And I will be getting back to you in a while. Thank you. Let's hear it from Madhulika. Hi, Madhulika.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I am good. How are you? आप चेहरा तो दिखाएं.
Ma'am, what?
मधुलिका, अपने आप को अनम्यूट कीजिए. ओके, आई थिंक आपने 2 डिवाइसेस से लॉगिन किया हुआ है ना?
Yes, yes.
ओके, ठीक है. So, how are you?
I am fine, ma'am. What about you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking, and I would love for you to start with the introduction.
Yes. Good evening, everyone. My name is Madhulika Vandevan. I am from Orange City, Nagpur. Currently, I got placed in one company as a software developer trainee. which is totally USA based company. I would like to tell you something about my company. Like it is totally USA based. All the members in my company, they all are foreigners. Like sometimes I get trouble while communicating with them, like how to communicate with them, because their accent is totally different than ours. We talk like our Indian accent is something different than foreign accent. So I told my mom about that. Like, mom, how to communicate with them. I get nervous with them. So she motivated me and she inspired me that you should not stop, you should not run away from the situation. You have to face them and you try to find out the answer of that situation, right? And I have done my graduation from JB College of Engineering and Management in IT department. If I talk about my family, I have mother, father, and one younger brother. My father is a government employee, my mother is a homemaker, and my younger brother, he's doing his schooling. If I talk about my hobbies are designing, drawing, and yes, and if I want to say like why I want to come to this contest, like I have many of my college friends, my colleagues, they mostly say that you are from IT background, so how you will excel in the modeling field. You can't do modeling, like you are in IT, so you have to do IT only, you can do only job. But I thought and I believe in myself that yes, I can do excel in modeling also. And I had a vision that I don't want to stay limited inside the box. I want to prove people that I can do out of the box. And yes, that's all about me, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Madhulika. Thank you so much. I just want to cross check. आपने designing mention किया. Are you into fashion designing or do you mean something else?
No, ma'am. I draw mehendi designs.
Okay, wonderful. ठीक है मधुलिका, आप अपनी राम वॉक के साथ शुरू कर दीजिए.
Yes, ma'am. Give me 2 seconds.
Sure.
शिवो हम आ गए बारी. Hello, ma'am. Can I start?
Yes, you can start.
Okay. Is it done, ma'am?
Yes, Madhulika, thank you so much. You could sit back comfortably.
Yes, thank you.
So, our last candidate of the day, Nancy. Hi, Nancy. How are you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm very much fine. And how are you, ma'am?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. आप अपने introduction के साथ शुरू कर सकती हैं. Can you hear me, Nancy?
Hello.
Nancy, आप अपने introduction के साथ शुरू कर सकती हैं.
Thank you, ma'am. I am from Bihar in a small town Samastipur, and I have done my studies 10th board from Samastipur, Bihar, and I have been topper in my school since class 2, and now I am doing.
I think Nancy is facing some network issue. Might not be able to reconnect. All right, so I think we can find Nancy, आपका नेटवर्क बहुत वीक है. कुछ भी सुनाई नहीं दिया. Can you repeat your introduction?
Okay, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. I am from Bihar, Samastipur, a small town, and have done my studies 10th from school DAV, and I had been topper in that from class 2, since class 2, and now I'm doing my studies in MBBS from Varanasi 3rd year, and now I wanted to get a platform where I can showcase my talent. I had interest in fashion since my childhood, and now I wanted to win that crown because to prove myself that I have beauty with brain as well, and now also to make my parents proud, and to be a role model for other girls also. So thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Nancy. आपकी hobbies क्या-क्या हैं?
Ma'am, I have so much interest in dancing and making reels on Instagram, and singing as well, and drawing a little bit.
Wonderful, wonderful.
And I am inspired by many friends of my college.
Okay, Nancy, अब अपने wrap up को शुरू कर सकती हैं.
I'm visible.
Yes, yes, you're visible.
Okay, Nancy, हो गया. Thank you.
Thank you.
क्या आपकी स्पीड को क्या हो गया था लास्ट में? आप क्या किसका वेट कर रहे थे?
No, there was my mom coming inside.
Okay, okay. I thought एकदम से एनर्जी को क्या हो गया नैन्सी की. तो आपने सबसे पहले ज्वाइन किया है मीटिंग, आप बिल्कुल वीडियो ऑन करके बैठी थे और आपका सबसे लास्ट में ऑडिशन हुआ है. I can understand how patiently you have been waiting for your turn. But congratulations that you have completed your audition, Nancy. मुझे थोड़ा सा आपका एनर्जी लेवल बिल्कुल लो लगा because see, I understand आप लोग सब फर्स्ट टाइम रैंप वॉक कर रहे हो. टेक्निकली हम उसमें काफी मिस्टेक्स कर देते हैं. But you know, you're just wearing normal slippers, आप normal footwear में बिल्कुल walk कर रहे हो, तो कभी ramp walk हो ही नहीं पाएगा proper, right? So from next time, whenever you're appearing for any such audition, for that matter, तो ramp walk के लिए आप please, this is for everyone, wear the appropriate footwear, क्योंकि footwear के बिना it's not called a ramp walk. तो normal walk करके दिखा रहे थे मुझे. और last में तो जब आप चल रहे थे तो मुझे लग रहा था कि आप you're just walking like that only. So never mind, Nancy. Yeah.
Space थोड़ी कम थी.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. I could see that थोड़ा सा space का crunch था, but कोई बात नहीं. You just wait for your audition reports, and now Harry will get into the details of the benefits that you're getting here on the platform. So over to you, Harry.
Thank you so much, Kirti ma'am. Thank you. And all right, ladies, first of all, thank you so much for, you know, completing your audition successfully. Thank you so much for sharing your details about your identity, your individuality. I would request all of you to start your videos again so that I can see some lovely, happy faces, because audition ab khatam ho chuka hai. Now there is no looking back. There is only looking forward from here. So, of course, congratulations on completing your first step into the journey of Forever Star India. This is just the beginning. And why do I say that? Because right from the scratch, the process will be very transparent. How does that work? Now, within 24 to 48 hours, you know, barring the Sunday, so by Monday at max, you will be receiving an audition report. Why an audition report? Because see, I'm sure you gathered a lot of courage, you put up the right makeup and outfit just to make sure, you know, so that you can put your best foot forward. It takes a lot of courage and confidence to talk to an absolute stranger about yourself. बहुत आसान चीज लगती है सुनने में, बट जब करने बैठते हैं तो पता चलता है कितनी हिम्मत लगती है अपने बारे में बात करने के लिए. So to appreciate that, we will be sending across an audition report to give you clarity, and it will be sent to all of you, not matter आप select होते हो नहीं होते हो, because see, even if you don't get selected, you would want to know कि कहाँ कमी रह गई, where should I improve next. But even if you do get selected, you would want to know, because किसी भी journey की शुरुआत करने से पहले it's important to understand कि आप stand कहाँ करते हो, what are your high points, what are your weak points, and it is going to be a detailed audition report, transparently putting up everything about what did we like about you and where could you potentially improve. Not just that, it's going to be valid for a period of lifetime, which basically means that you will not have to appear for an FCR audition again for any of the upcoming pageants and seasons. So that is the kind of value we wish to add. And of course, re-emphasizing the fact that once you clear the audition, you become a participant of Forever Star India and a member of our Forever Star India community. फिर से बोल रही हूँ, it is not just a pageant, it is a community that we are building, where we are just looking for people, women who are talented, passionate, and want to create a unique identity for themselves. Because I'm sure आप लोगों ने एक दूसरे को सुना, you must have realized one thing, by now, आप लोग सब एक दूसरे से बहुत अलग हो, but there is one thing common in each one of you. The wish to create a unique identity for yourself. अपनी एक पहचान बनाना. Aspirations अलग हो सकते हैं, किसी के लिए fashion designing, किसी के लिए अपनी बेटी का सपना, किसी के लिए अपने लिए acting आगे choose करना, या अपनी एक पहचान बनाना, किसी को inspire करना. But वो कैसे होगा जब आपकी एक ऐसी पहचान बनेगी कि लोग आपको seriously लेंगे. To have that authority in your individuality. So of course, Forever Star India is just looking for that kind of passion, and that is what exactly you guys have fulfilled. And moving on the same lines, अगर मैं ये बोलूं कि आपकी जो unique identity वाली चीज है वो तो हम आते ही tick off कर देंगे. How many of you have googled yourself? You can raise your hand. अपने आप को कभी गूगल किया हो ऐसे outrightly? अपना नाम मतलब आप digitally कर सकते हो, मैं देख रही हूँ सबको. हम नहीं करते हैं because हमें लगता है हमने अभी हमने ऐसा क्या किया है कि गूगल करें, और बहुत सारे लोग होंगे. But what if I tell you that once you become a Forever Star India participant, as soon as you will Google yourself, your profile will be boosted in such a way that your profile, your name would pop up right on the top as an FCR participant. So your modeling pictures, your profile, your details. Imagine अगर मैं किसी को बोल रही हूँ मेरा नाम गूगल कर लो, मेरा काम दिख जाएगा. Look at the value it holds. Look at the, I can see all of you smiling now. So ये आप सबको मिलने वाला है, and that is how we are going to move a step closer to creating a unique identity for you guys. Because, there could be thousands of Joyces, there could be thousands of Gitanjalis, there could be thousands of Momitas, there could be thousands of Pallavis. But when you search Pallavi Jaswal, if her identity, if her profile pops up on the top, I think she's going to be the happiest there. And of course, on the same lines, you will be receiving numerous other benefits, like, all of you will be receiving a hard copy certificate, which will be embedded in gold, the gold finish, and also a sash of your own to take a memory, and many more business opportunities. आप सब ने कहीं ना कहीं आप सबके अंदर एक वो होगा कि यार अगर एक्टिंग का मौका मिल जाए तो ट्राई करने में क्या हर्ज है. I would love to try. I can see all of you saying a yes. So imagine getting an opportunity from a platform that you are already associated with. Now, why do I say that? Because in the coming year, next year, by the end, we will be launching our own OTT platform. I am sure आपने Netflix, Hotstar, Amazon के बारे में सुना होगा. These are the surviving kits that we have been used to. Imagine getting a call for acting, playback singing, choreography, direction from a platform that you are associated with. Because let's be honest, it's very difficult for women to make safe contacts in the glamour world. आप लोगों ने indirectly कहीं ना कहीं ये चीज notice की होगी कि कुछ भी ऐसा कहीं opportunity आता है, आपने audition का भी ad देखा होगा, सबसे पहले दिमाग में आता है कहीं ये fake तो नहीं है. I should just check its details, मुझे cross check करना चाहिए, मेरी details जा रही हैं. So imagine getting such huge opportunities from a platform that you are already built with, associated with. So when I say you receive a lifetime membership, it means you will be receiving an access to all the opportunities that will be generated by this platform. And now, of course, who better than the director of Forever Star India to talk about the grand finale, which is going to happen in December. It's going to be an exuberant affair because eventually सबको यहाँ crown जीतना है. You want to wear those couture gowns and want to make it to the finale here. So over to you, Kirti.
Thank you so much, Harry, for talking so beautifully and in so much detail about the benefits that these participants, if they become participants after the audition report, they're going to have on the platform. So first of all, congratulations to each one of you for completing your audition successfully. And secondly, here, I'm just going to talk about the process once you receive your audition report. So you will be receiving your audition reports in the next 24 to 48 hours. Most probably by tomorrow or Monday, you'll be receiving those. And once you clear the audition, you can complete your participation process, right? So you need to clear the audition before you can complete your participation process. And as soon as you complete your participation process, you will instantly be starting with your special training sessions. Now, in these training sessions, we will have 150 plus experts, which includes motivational speakers. We have ramp walk experts here. We have image consultants here. So you've just named the profile and we have those profiles here. Now, these trainers are actually going to help you in becoming a better version of yourselves. When I could see most of you were doing this ramp walk for the first time, right? So ramp walk expert jo hai, wo pehle aapko train karega that what you should be wearing, how you should be carrying yourself, and how you should be, technically moving your hands, your legs, the turns, the twists, and everything. So they will be training you. And then after that, you will be appearing for your talent round. Similarly, an image consultant is going to train you, and then you will be appearing for your talent round 1, wherein you will be talking and portraying your talent. Then a makeup artist is going to train you that how you should be doing a basic makeup on your own self. So then you will be appearing for this makeup round, that is your talent round 2. So along with these trainings, you will simultaneously be appearing for your talent rounds, and you will be given 3 chances to prove yourselves. Just like this was your first and the only chance to become an official participant of Miss and Mrs. India, in a similar fashion, you will be given 3 more chances to prove yourselves, and then we will be selecting the city winners and then of course the state winners. Now all of this process till November is virtual, just like you're sitting across the screen right now and appearing for your audition. In the same manner, you will be appearing for your trainings and the talent rounds. Now, once we have the city winners and then the state winners, then you will be coming all the way to Jaipur in Rajasthan, where in Hotel Marriott, we are going to do the biggest finale, the biggest event of this country for Forever Miss India, Mrs. India, and a fashion week. इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर आप अपनी सिटी से भी विनर बनते हैं, then you will be coming for the grand finale. You will be wearing that beautiful couture gown, and the makeup artists will be working on your face. The stylists are going to work with you, and you will be there on that stage, and a celebrity is going to crown you, right? So just imagine that feeling कि यहाँ से वहाँ तक पहुँचने में आपके पास सिर्फ 2 months का time है, but there's a lot of effort that we will be needing from your side. There's a lot of time that we will be needing from your side, because every week, twice or thrice, you will have to be present for your training sessions. You will have to be present for these talent rounds. So a very important thing that you will have to be here.
Just give us a minute. Okay.
Okay, I'm so sorry. Something just came in between. So what I was saying is that you just have this time of 2 months to prove yourselves. It's extremely important because we will be doing the whole process virtually. So you must follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and you must subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you understand in a better way that what kind of trainers we have on board and how are these trainings going, to go ahead. All right. Now, very important part, that how are you going to complete the participation process once you receive the audition report. So there is a minimal fee of 4,000 plus GST, which will include your virtual training sessions. It will also include your lifetime membership of this community. So when I say it is a community, we are not just doing these as beauty pageants and award shows. We are creating a community of women like you who are so talented and so unique in your own self. And we are going to be there for each other. We're going to inspire each other. Right? So do not compare yourselves. आपने आज audition भी अगर दिया है तो आपको compare नहीं करना है. You just have to understand that we are unique and we are going to create a unique identity for ourselves on this platform. So regarding the process and regarding the grand finale, if there is anything that you would want to know, please feel free to ask us any questions.
Anything that you would like to ask, ladies? You could unmute yourself and ask. I can see some pretty sorted faces. Yes, Momita, tell me.
No, man. No question. This is ये बहुत हमारे लिए बहुत ही मतलब गर्व की बात होगी अगर हम लोग सब लोग मतलब इतने सुंदर सुंदर so pretty जो गर्ल्स है वुमेन्स है वो आए हैं, तो वो सब लोग अगर हम मतलब जयपुर जाएंगे, मतलब पहले मैंने कभी जयपुर राजस्थान की नहीं, मतलब अगर हम लोग जाएंगे तो ये हमारे लिए बहुत 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 खुशी की बात होगी. Thank you so much.
I would love to meet you all physically, virtual से बाहर निकल के, कैमरा से बाहर निकल के.
हाँ. कैमरा से बाहर निकल कर देखने का मतलब मजा ही कुछ और हो जाएगा.
And ladies, I've shared the social media details of Forever Star India. आप लोग आज you are the women of today. So please make sure you research before you invest into something. See what kind of work we are into, our YouTube channel, our website. Look at the kind of community we are building, the professionals we have, and the trainings we undergo. And I am really looking forward to see you guys all in the training sessions. All the very best. Have a lovely evening ahead. Also, thank you so much, Simran, for taking out the time today. It was an absolute pleasure hearing from you. And all the best. Thank you so much. Sending everybody and their families lots of positivity and happiness across. So take care, wait for your audition reports, and I'm sure you guys are going to do great. Bye-bye.
Thank you.